Every time I post a video using Color Wow's volumizing products on my hair, it goes viral. First one that I posted, I got 6 million views. That is because of the insane transformation that I get from their volumizing products. And we have just come out with a bundle for the holidays with our volumizing VIPs, and I want to show you how these work in my hair. Watch this transformation. And here we are. Joking. Look at this though. Honestly, can you believe all this volume? And the way that it looks like I have like 3 times the amount of hair. All right, I'm going to tell you what's in this box right now and why you guys have got to check it out. It has their award-winning shampoo. Your scalp and your hair will be thoroughly cleaned. So it starts off with the perfect base to then start building your volume. So then we have the leave-in conditioner. It's incredible for expensive-looking, soft, supple hair. Then these are the volumizing superheroes. This is the Raise the Root, which gives you incredible root lift. And then we have Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. Both of these are multi-award winners. This one just gives you the massive amount of volume all throughout your strand. It's 20% off this bundle right now. It's in the holiday shop. Get it for you, get it for a friend who's got thinner hair. If they want to just look like they have 3 times the amount of hair that they did before they put these products in their hair. It is just unbelievable. It takes the guesswork out of what you need to buy. This is just chef's kiss.